Hello Year 3, we've got a very exciting literacy lesson today. We are going to be designing a brand new roller coaster and then you are going to create a leaflet to persuade people to come and ride your roller coaster. So let's have a look at an example. So here we've got a leaflet for Alton Towers, the theme park. Okay, so let's have a read of it and think about how it persuades the reader. Are you bored and fed up of visiting the same boring places? Then head straight to Alton Towers theme park this summer, where you are guaranteed the time of your life. Alton Towers is a majestic 5-star adventure park which has captured the world's imagination. Alton Towers is more than just a theme park. It's an entire universe of action and thrills. From the moment you arrive, you will be screaming at the top of your voice. At the top here it says, enter Alton Towers and never want to leave. Twist, spin, flip, twirl and zoom around ferocious tracks, insanely high loops until the sun goes down. Experience flying on the smoothest ride in the world, air. This stunning coaster twirls you around and simulates the flight of a bird drifting through the sky. The G-forces of Rita, the Queen of Speed, will have you hurtling, twisting and turning as it reaches speeds of 100 miles per hour. Okay, so I want you to have another read of that leaflet yourself and think about how it persuades the reader to visit Alton Towers. How does it make the reader want to go to Alton Towers? Okay, let's see if you got any of these. Now at the start, it asks the reader a question to get them thinking. It says, are you bored and fed up of visiting the same boring places? Now, hopefully, the reader will be like, yes, I am, and they will want to come to Alton Towers. Throughout the leaflet, it also uses powerful vocabulary to persuade the reader. So we've got majestic and insanely and lots more examples. The leaflet also uses personal pronouns. It says you a lot, like it is talking to the reader. Okay. There are also pictures of the roller coaster, which is of course going to persuade the reader. And then another very important part to persuade is it includes amazing facts about the ride. Okay, so people know how unique the ride is and how special it is. It says that it simulates the flight of a bird, and then the other roller coaster, it says it reaches speeds of 100 miles per hour. So you need to have a think about your roller coaster now. What will it be like? Will it be fun for everybody to go on? Maybe a nice family ride? Will your roller coaster have a big drop, lots of loops, or will it be something completely different? I wonder who would be brave enough to ride on this. So, once you've got your ideas, you can complete the planning sheet in your home learning pack. So you need to think about what the name of your roller coaster is going to be. Describe your roller coaster, what happens when people go on your ride. Give some specific information about your roller coaster. Why should people ride it? What makes it unique? Okay. Think about some wow words that you can use. So we had majestic, insanely. And then think about some rhetorical questions that's going to get the reader thinking. Like, what are you waiting for? Okay. So pause the video now and complete your planning sheet. So now you've got your ideas, you need to produce an eye-catching leaflet that's going to persuade people to ride your brand new roller coaster. So here I have put some phrases and some amazing words that you can use. So as you are writing, if you want, you can keep these up so that you can have a look. Okay, so let's have a look at my example. Now my roller coaster is called Whiz Up. Okay, so I took inspiration from the Alton Towers leaflet and started mine off with a question. I said, aren't you bored of riding on the same roller coasters all the time? Come along to Maxa theme park and experience the best ride of your life on Whiz Up. This spectacular ride will have you screaming and soaring through the air as you spin and glide on a fantastical ride. There is no other ride like this in the world. Trust us. Once you've ridden on Whiz Up, you will want to ride it again and again. The first 100 riders get a free t-shirt as well to remember the experience. So make sure you are one of the first. What are you waiting for? Okay, so I've used some questions in there. I have got some powerful vocabulary, spectacular, fantastical. I have used personal pronouns, and I have also got a picture of my roller coaster. Okay, so now it is your turn to write your leaflet. Make sure that it is exciting, and I would love to see some of these and hear about your roller coaster creations.